say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
What's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. I'm back again with a new video. In today's video, y'all already know from the title, we are installing, or we installed. This is Freetress Soft Baby Curl, color number 2. This hair is not new to me. I actually did this hair 3 years ago. 3 years ago, I did a half up, half down crochet type style, and I was at my local beauty supply. I wanted to try something different, and I was like, ooh, I tried this before, but I want to do it as a full install, so that's what we did. So I actually finished this last night, probably in like an hour, quick install. Yeah, so I got it in the color number 2. So with these packs, I always end up buying 3 packs, and I only need 2. You would think that I would have learned my lesson by now, but I keep doing it, and I'm just like, just get 2 packs. You always get 3. You always have just this one little pack just sitting in the weed closet, because I did a room tour and I showed y'all the drawers. That was only like 15% of it. Have a weave closet upstairs. But so yeah, that was an easy install. In the back, what I did was I kept the hair as is. Once I got to the front, I pulled it apart once, and I only knotted the hair 1 to 2 times because I don't plan on keeping this up long. So y'all know my regular is 3 to 5, but I only did 1 to 2. This is how much hair I had left out of the second pack. And what I did was just went in. Sometimes I be forgetting spaces, or I be missing spaces. So I just went in and I filled those in. And yeah, so I love this so much. This is what it looks like on the model. Which to me, hers look longer. Like mine was a little bit longer and I cut it. I'm trying to see if I can find, like it was like this length right there. So I shaped it up a little bit, and then I created like this little bang. It had this little bang effect or whatever. I did this on 2-week-old braids, and I was like, damn, this gonna look so raggedy. But once I finished with the install, fluffed it out, I was like, oh, it don't even matter. I fixed my edges up. So the hair big, so it can seal my little crusty dusty braids, so it ain't even a big deal. But yeah, you guys, 2 packs, $9.99 a pack from my local beauty supply. If I can find her, I will link it for y'all. And yeah, so thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll link my other video where I used this hair. It was 2019. It was definitely 2019 because I installed it right before I went to Jamaica. Oh, miss Jamaica. Jamaica. Okay. I'm getting sidetracked, but yeah, what y'all think? Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I think I'm gonna shape it up just a little bit more, but I like it. And then I think I could do like, hell no. Okay, I lied, I can't do that. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. If you like this video, you like the vibe, you like the energy, hit that subscribe button so y'all can see some more videos from me. Share, like, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Dab.